LegalZoom online legal advice app. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom online legal advice app promises quick access to professional legal guidance, but most people think legal advice requires scheduling expensive in-person meetings. The surprising truth is that this app connects users with licensed attorneys who can provide consultations, answer questions, and review documents from anywhere. One major pro is accessibility. Users can submit questions, request document reviews, and schedule consultations without leaving home. For example, a small business owner can get a contract reviewed within hours instead of waiting weeks for an appointment. Another advantage is affordability. Compared to traditional legal services, the app offers predictable pricing and subscription plans, making legal support more attainable for individuals and startups. Users can also access resources and templates to complement attorney guidance. However, there are cons. While the app is excellent for standard advice and document review, complex cases involving litigation or specialized areas may require more in-depth, in-person legal support. Users should recognize the app as a complement, not a complete replacement for comprehensive legal representation. In conclusion, the LegalZoom online legal advice app is an effective solution for individuals and businesses seeking convenient, affordable, and reliable legal guidance. It bridges the gap between accessibility and professional expertise, helping users take informed legal steps confidently while understanding its limitations.